Split trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. We're playing floors to the big gala nights. I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my...
Oh, it's a race. Convertible race. Nazinto engikhazayo ngathi sacaba siyava. Ke khuma siyava.
Ayi so bafethu ayisibuye erenkini sicela ubheka abomamasi yabo sihlangane nama-gents no sibheke ekhambani
Ama-trader bafethu. Eva.
This is my first time.
Oh yeah.
For the Machuala.
Hey bafethu. Hey lenze
ayi dala ngihamba isentini mara ngiyacala ukungena yini bafethu hayi ngabone nje ngiyantshela subscribe-ani lapho dog.
So the next content we're shooting. It's Justice. And that's like a Justice Kitty Casita. What it's even.
Ama-iPhone, ama-elevator ngapha, ama-escalator kuningi bafethu yabo maka stay tuned.
Hayi izinto zamampela bafethu. Jesus. My nigga.
Sesifikile no sicela ukungena phakathi. Ayi yinhle le ndawo nabona nani ba-gents.
Hey, so guys, this plastic is the reason this thing is showing like this, you see. I carry plastic in is the reason. It's just gonna make the thing scratch. Nigga, keep your missus. Yes. My nigga found a wife. Maria, check the dresses. If you know, you know. If you are with this nigga today, you know. Justice Kiyemoto Bonzeri shortcut.
So Justice uyelwa ama-threads yabo. So uye sibonisele entrance lesingene ngayo guys. Dala ngihamba isentini but hayi ngicala ukusebenzisa le entrance. Nenja yami yabona iseGucci cabanga lebohang vele yabo. Thatha isithombe. Yacabanga ukuthi uzomthengelana. If you don't know it guys, check the previous video.
What did I buy? What did I buy?
Gold, XAU.
Give me that shit. Give me that shit. What did I buy? This is what I bought. How much is this teddy bear on?
So guys, you see, we're checking the price here, the teddy bear, yabo. But as you know, this is dollar dates, guys. So let's check out some other prices.
Dollar goes down, gold goes up. I'll check it, but I'm not sure.
So sime ngaphandle kanje Standard Bank inje yami ngathi misakhipha imali yabo. Mara ngathi seyiqedile. So as we still walking, I see the sign. It looks nice, guys. I decided to take a picture. I want to chase Lamville.
Yeah. It's very into as I'm a dog. So guys,
we still walking. Saphuma ke manje. Yabo inje amphethe iColtingelo ijabulile vele yazi. Kokethu ushiyane neTeddy Bear bafethu. ushiye Teddy Bear wathatha yena again. Lo mfana unjani?
Niwabona.
Bona alebo concentrate.
Hayi njam. Hey ha.
Sisahamba kanjalo nje yami yasitshela vele. Hayi. The Label Gang way izomletha lo mamazi yabo. So if you don't know who's Label Gang, check the previous videos, guys. And like the previous episode, I think episode 3 or 4.
Jump and jam, so fun swim and jam. I have it on video and jam. Siyaplatna kiye organic content bafethu kunale mama mtoba wakhuluma ngakho. Organic content. Organic content. Ngabona iyaclose lethala kubambela ujambe nje yami. Baba. Losu 50,005. 3.5 p.
Yabona bafethu, we going up and down mara we going out yabo. So sesaphuma ke manje, almost at the exit.
So it might tell you blom here, you order food, or you just blom here, they come to you.
So guys, since ngakaze ngene la interested ngibuza umjida ukuthi kusetshenzwa kanjani, what's the operation, ngazithola sengiqoshwa next time yabo. So nanabona, it's not just a Mercedes, it's a Mercedes Maybach. But yeah, sesiphumile ke now guys, heading to the rank.
Guys, so it's raining now, so we're planning on blooming by the park, so now in Shabbat tour. Asbuyele Maslow Hotel bafethu. Check bafethu.
Niyazi guys, teamwork makes the dream work yabo. So since it's winning iPhone, decided to shwin ama-gents erankini, so celebrate. Niyazi phela.
They need an accompanist bafethu. Don't tell me when I let such a beautiful lady walk alone. You see the gents, guys, they letting such a beautiful girl walk alone, guys. It's gonna open for the
so I see the girl is approaching, the gents are rushing and running yabona. Anje ngimile vele yabo, ngifuna ukubona umntana abantu, hayi ngidlulile ngimbulisile, but okay. Ngizomkhapha mara asithembi yabo, phethe iPhone. Even if this is sentient,
anyone up for Unos, guys? 20 Unos for iPhone. Oh, C63s. I lemot yang khuthaza bafethu. Ngiboniseza. Ay, C63s. Yabo, siya 770. Ay.
So now we're out. This is the richest square mile in Africa, yabo. Hamba namajida. Yazi swini iPhone 17 vele, so celebrate. Sayenza lento bafethu. So as you can see here, I think this is Mandela Bridge or whatever. Nelson Mandela Square, yeah, something like that. Yazi phela nguye so ngihlale ngapha bafethu.
But you know, Santiago, do you believe? Do you believe?
I don't believe.
I believe.
I don't.
Nangumjida naye asibuza ukuthi sikuphi yabona sesentini my dog. We're out here. Michelangelo, Leonardo, all of those, yeah, they found here in Sentin. So we're walking as far as Majen, so now we're almost at the
Pagachuchu, bafethu.
Guys, I'm saying.
Pagachuchu, next time, yabona red.
That's why we.
Yeah. Baka Ju, tala ngintshele ekalani phosi. Baka Ju, Ju. Hayi. Kujwerise kambokazi mfanaka. Guys, subscribe to Dollar Days bafethu. I'll be out here for real.
I still don't believe it, man.
Welcome to game, bro.
Welcome come but
Diamond sa plastic yun nakano ni Mario daw. Sama di chance.
Thank you machens. Woy. Ay. Yabona ke sesofika erenkini. Almost there yabo saxoxa namachens. Na nje yami isicabangela uLebu gang. Yabona.
Subscribe to Dollar Days, everyone. By Mercedes one. You see which color you hold, you go.
I wonder what you're gonna feel. I definitely not Iron Bruce, so I'm wondering.
Yeah, that one is a cozy guy like her.
Oh, I wanna guys, it's fine guys. Tabarekala Iron Bruce, abaluza liro, abo.
Watch my story unfold. Live trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my